Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video by Map Painters. My name is Lalit. Today we are going to learn how can we download the custom location file of digital elevation model rather than downloading for the entire region or country. So QGIS comes with pretty much different plugins, and there is one plugin which help us to download the DEM file of our specific location. The name of this plugin is OpenTopography. To install the plugin, as you know that you have to go to the plugin, then manage and install plugin, right? Here inside the all, you need to type this OpenTopo. So this is the plugin open to by OpenTopography. So the plugin name is OpenTopography DEM downloader. So you need to download from, sorry, you need to install from here. I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So once you install from here, you will get a lot of information like you have the access to the SRTM DEM of 90-30 meter, then ALOS World 3D DEM of 30 meter, and you see there are the tubal data that are available here. So another important thing is we need to get an API key from OpenTopography.org to download the DEM. So we're also going to learn how can we get that API key from there, right? So let me close this, and I want to download a DEM of a district in Nepal. So I have my district set files here, right? So this is the shape file of Nepal. Let me provide some coordinate reference system from here, right? So now, for example, I want to download the DEM file for this Mustang region. You know, Mustang is one of the famous district in Nepal for the tourism, and it is also known as the cold desert, right? So let me select Mustang from here. Then I'm going to export this to my local computer, right? So from here, uh, and to name it Mustang uh, SHP, right? So I'm going to change the CRS to WGS84 and okay. All right, we have Mustang here in our canvas. So let me remove this background color from here and to make it transparent, right? So this is the time to download that DEM from here. So to download DEM, we have already installed the plugin. So let's come to this raster. Then there is Open Topography DEM, right? Now we have to select the DEM from here. Let's go to these options, and maybe we need DEM SRTM 30 meter. Let me check if there are any DEM less than 30 meter. I don't think so. So you can choose any one from here, but I'm going to choose this SRTM 30 meter from here. Then we need to provide the extent up to where we want to download our DEM. So from here, I'm going to download the DEM of only Mustang region. That's why I'm going to provide this Mustang SSP here. So here we need to get an API key. So to get API key, let's come to this website opentopography.org, where you need to create your account. I have already created my account and I have already logged in. So I'm not going to show that process. I'm sure you can do that by yourself. I think making an account in any website is pretty much easier. So I'm not going to show that whole process. So to get an API key, there is an option inside the home tab here. You get this option request an API key, right? So I'm going to request an API key from here. So here is my API key. I am going to copy this, right, like this, and come back to my QGIS, and I'm going to paste it here like this. So I'm gonna blur this API key for the security reason, but I'm sure you can handle that. You can request your own API and paste here. And then I'm going to run this. It might take some time depending on your internet speed and the area of interest. I have pretty much a small area of interest, so it should be done pretty quick. So it start downloading. Just wait for some time. Okay, cool. So our task has been completed here. So let me close this and see. Tada! So we have our DEM here. Let me load some tile here. Maybe I'm going to load this OpenStreetMap like this. Right. Okay. So we can see that this name is covering the Mustang district. Let me change the position here so that we can know. Yeah. So the has been downloaded for the Mustang. So let me clip this to the area to clip, go to the raster extraction and simply choose this click raster by mask layer. So inside the input layer, we are going to provide this SRTM L1 then mask layer will be Mustang. So this is usually the polygon. So let me run this. I'm not going to save it anywhere. So let me close. Okay. So why it's okay. Great. So this is the DEM of Mustang. So you can do pretty much great analysis with the DEM. Maybe you can make some contour line. You can find out the slope of your region, and then you can also find out the aspect and many more. So I'm not going to demonstrate that here. So the purpose of this video is to let you know that how can you download the DEM of a specific site, because as a beginner I used to download the DEM of whole Nepal, then I used to clip that whole DEM, but this is the proper way to download your DEM, which will save a lot of time and a lot of memory of your local computer. So you can see there is a sign. It is saying that this is a temporary layer. If you want to save, you just need to click here. Okay, so you need to click here. Uh, uh, no, I think you need to right click and export and save it. So you can do that, but I'm not going to save because I already have this DEM is in my local computer. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button in this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.